Caster with the Natural Resource Conservation Service, and I'm here at Don Hoff Farm to talk to you about what NRCS is. So first of all, NRCS is a federal agency, and we work under the USDA, and we were founded in 1933 as part of the Dust Bowl. And NRCS helps private landowners address resource concerns, which mainly that is soil, water, animal, plant, air, and now human considerations and energy. And we have lots of things here that we can talk about, but I'm just kind of general because everything that we do is very site specific, and NRCS will help you address those resource concerns. And the main thing that I wanted to get a point across was talk about some of the general things that I've found here in Antrim County. And those include what we call conservation cover with an emphasis on pollinator habitat. And with that, our standards and specifications include that landowners plant 9 species, 3 that bloom early in the season, 3 that bloom mid in the season, and 3 that bloom late in the season. And what that does is that provides food for the the pollinators in the areas. And what we typically allow is for a grass to be planted in there as well, and that allows them some cover so that they can reproduce. And another big one that I've seen here in the area locally is what we call our seasonal high tunnel. And what that is we allow, it has to be a manufactured product, and you plant it typically in an area that you're already been planting in the native soil. And that is to extend your growing season. I know there's a lot of interest in that, and I know that we as the NRCS employees are looking forward to working with people and moving forward to feeding local people in the area with local foods. Another thing that that I have found that is extremely popular within the area is what we call our forest management plan. And what we do with that is we address forested acres, and we have a third party come in actually and write the forest management plan that specializes in forestry. And from that forest management plan, we are able to move forward with other practices, whether that be tree shrub planting, that be invasive species removal, or any other practice that they have that we might be able to provide either technical service for landowners or even financial assistance. NRCS also has practices and enhancements that we work with landowners to address resource concerns on their headquarters, whether that be a storage for your ag chemicals, a storage for your fueling facility, a storage for your manure, whether that be a compost facility, or it be a waste storage facility. There are certain requirements in terms of some of those practices, which obviously if you work with an NRCS employee, we'll be able to help you address those so that we can move forward with a contract to meet those goals, to be able to address those resource concerns. If you have any questions, go ahead and go to mi.usda.gov, and from there you can go ahead and locate your local NRCS employee. I look forward to meeting everyone. Thank you.